How to customize lock screen in iPhone 16e. So let's start the video. First of all, open notification center and press and hold on a screen. Now here you can change a wallpaper. Now click on customize. Now click on lock screen. Now here you can customize your lock screen like that, and here you can add a picture on your lock screen, live photo, anything. And here you can show photos in library, extend wallpaper and depth setting. And if you want to add a widget on your lock screen, then simply click on this blank space, and here you can add a widget like that. And then here you can change your clock style, color, and here you can change your date and daytime, and then click on done. So this is the way to customize lock screen in iPhone 16e. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching.